In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an infographic for kids using Google Slides. We'll start from a fresh presentation and set up a simple add-on that gives you kid-friendly infographic templates so you can focus on content instead of design. First, open your web browser and head to Google. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use. Open the Google Apps menu, the little grid icon, and choose Slides. When Slides load, start with a blank presentation. Beginning with a clean canvas keeps things straightforward and makes it easier to drop in the right layout for your topic. Next, look to the top toolbar and open extensions. Choose Get Add-ons to launch the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type PPT Design Infographics Templates, select that option, then follow the prompts to install it. You'll be asked to pick your account and allow permissions. This is standard for Workspace add-ons. Review the details and continue. On school accounts, you might need admin approval. Once installation finishes, return to the Slides window, open extensions again, find PPT Design Infographics Templates in the list, and choose it. Click Get Started, and when the welcome message appears, click OK. A side panel will open with a collection of infographic layouts tailored for clear, visual storytelling. These are especially helpful for young learners because they break information into small, colorful parts. Browse the categories and pick a layout that fits your topic. Timelines for sequences, cycles for processes, and simple charts for comparisons. Insert a design, then replace the placeholder text with short, kid-friendly sentences. Keep the font large and readable, and use high contrast colors so everything stands out. You can swap icons or images to match your theme and adjust colors to align with your classroom or project palette. Aim for a limited set of colors and just a few key points per slide to avoid overload. That's it. You opened Slides, installed the PPT Design Infographics Templates add-on, launched it, and unlocked a library of designs that make kid-friendly infographics fast and fun to create. Save your work as you go, and reuse your favorite layouts across different topics to keep a consistent look. Thanks for watching. Now go create an engaging infographic that helps your learners grasp your message at a glance.